Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be creating this simple Republic Day inspired colorful eyeshadow. It's not going to be a voiceover throughout. The audio messed up in the intro and the eyeshadow part, so it's just going to be on that part. Please hit on the subscribe button below if you haven't already, and let's move into the video. Starting off with the eyeshadow, I'm going to prime my eyelids with the JhosfIne concealer and blend it out with a blending brush. I went off camera to do my brows, but if you guys want to see a detailed tutorial on how I do my brows, let me know in the comment section and I'll be glad to do that for you. So I'm just blending in the concealer to prep my lids before the eyeshadow. I'm going to use the EYESHADOW palette. It has colorful and beautiful shadows, and since this look is inspired from the Republic Day celebration, I'm just going to use the Ghana flag colors. So I'm just going to use the red one called Crimson, and I'm placing it in the inner part of my lid and simply build up the shade. The next color I'm going to be using is of course the yellow shade called Baby Oko, and I'm placing that in the mid portion of my lid, and I'll also build that up the same way I did with the red. Please give this video a huge thumbs up if you're already liking it, and also leave a comment below. It's time for the green, and I'm going to be using the green shade called Sunset, and I'll be placing that in the outer portion of my lid, but I'm going to drag it out a bit more for it to be a little bit dramatic and give it like a wing effect. So the only thing left for the eyes is of course the black star, but I'm not going to draw that. So I'm just going to use my Pineapple Cosmetics liner to line my lash line without filling it in. So it's just going to be like an empty eyeliner, right? Yeah. And I'm taking my time so that I get a perfect line. Okay guys, so we are done with the eyes and we're going to move to the skin. So it's just normal stuff. I'm just going to prep my lips with the Vaseline Rosy Lips just to moisturize it, okay? I'm going to go ahead and use the City Color Classic Primer to prime my face. I'm going to mix in these two foundations. This one is from Pineapple Cosmetics and this one is from EYESHADOW. You can use code JHOS201 to get discount when you purchase from Pineapple Cosmetics. I'll leave that below so that you guys can purchase from them and get some money off. So 2 pumps of the Pineapple Cosmetics and just drops of the EYESHADOW one. Blending everything with a brush. Don't forget your neck when you're blending your foundation. Really important. I'm using the Pineapple Cosmetics concealer in the shade Apricot. Guys, please ignore any background noise you hear, okay? I'm very sorry about that. Please ignore it. Let's just blend the concealer in, blending it in. I'm going to set the concealer with the Pineapple Cosmetics loose powder as well. This is in the shade Golden Orange 504. I'm just setting my whole face with my face powder, just to set the foundation in place. I went off camera to do the rest of my face, and I'm back so that we complete the eye look. So I'm just going to put the green shadow right here and the yellow shadow in the middle, just a little bit, and the red shadow right here. There's fallout from the yellow shadow, so let me just dust that off. I'm just going to line my waterline with this black pencil. I'm applying this mascara from Pineapple Cosmetics. I'm just going to put this yellow shimmer shade called Addict in my tear dot. So I just lined my lips, and I'm going to fill that in with the Pineapple Cosmetics lipstick. This one is in the shade 8. I'm going to top up with a gloss. Okay guys, so I'm going to put on my lashes off camera and be right back. So this is the finished look of my Republic Day inspired makeup look. This is the finished look. If you guys did love the video, don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscribe button below. Leave comments on what you think about the video suggestions you have, and anything else. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.